Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic reels editing on Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already created a project on my Capcut application and I'm going to create cinematic Instagram reels editing using this video. Okay, first of all, make sure that you choose this ratio 9 and 16 ratio. And then to make it more cinematic, I'm going to create cinematic color grading. So I'm going to go to the adjustment and then I'm going to adjust the brightness, the contrast, and so on. Start from the brightness, guys. For the brightness, I'm going to make it -3. And then for the contrast, make it +5. Make it +5 like this. And for the saturation, make it +4 and move to the brilliance. We're going to make it -20. Okay, and then for the sharpen, we're going to make it +25. Okay, +25. And then for the clarity, make it +19. Oops. And then let's move to the highlight. Okay, for the highlight, we're going to make it -3. Oops. And then for the shadow, make it +4. And then for the whites, make it +3. Oops. For the white, make it +3. Okay, and for the blacks, we're going to make it -5. And then for the temperature, make it -10. And for the hue, this is for the last one, you're going to make it +9. Okay, and click on the check mark. And then I'm going to apply it to the whole video to make it more cinematic. Okay, and then I'm going to apply speed ramping or speed ramp. So I'm going to go to the speed option. We can click on our video and then go to the speed menu. Where is it? Okay, it's right here. And then I'm going to select curve. And then I'm going to select custom, edit, and then you can make it like this. Okay, you can make the curve like this. Just follow what I'm doing here. And then we're going to apply the smooth slow motion. I'm going to choose faster process, click on the check mark and wait for a moment. Okay, and now the slow motion has been applied and this is how it looks. Okay, and to make it more captivating, you can add music and then you can apply the speed ramping to the second video as well. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.